guys! Today we have slime and also water.
And let's put some water
Inside. Okay,
Yeah.
mine first.
And-
That's it.
and let's put some water.
Oh no, it's
And
really
let's mix.
great.
Mix.
It's not sticky.
Yeah. Let's put some mix in here. Look at this.
And then she plays with it, and our table is actually white. Okay.
Actually, black.
No, it's white.
The table?
Yeah.
No. Yeah. Actually white. And dili mi
Just-
gawas kay more video kay wala man si gabi nag-hi guys ko giba. Karon na siya. Kay diba sakto ko na siya ugma mag-video me how to make slime. And I'll put some water.
I won't.
And put some many.
If I put some many water and it makes sticky.
I have a many water para siya so nice.
Nice, really nicey.
Yeah, the water is make us sticky.
Yes, of course.
I'm sorry guys, sa una kay dili misakto nga ang water kay make a fluffy pero dili man gyud make a sticky.
Yes, but now mine is not sticky.
Mine too.
Miss, I'm the maker slime.
Yeah.
She's not the maker slime. I am.
Sa una kay ako man nya nakahimo mix slime ako pa to ba?
Karon ako na. So, okay. Sige, she is so great than me how to make slime because she
Sticky
makes
slime ko sticky slime. Kay mo siya butang water, mix, butang water, and she's not sticky. And you have to make a sticky slime. You need to put the water, and mix, and put the water, mix, and make a sticky.
Yes, of course not.
Put so many water, so soft. How we did na slime, soft kay akong tag water, di ba? Ang water maka-soft, pero may stick.
Yes, of course not.
So not.
Oh, not means no. Right, guys?
Of course not. It's so very, and I love my slime.
She says, of course not.
This is so pretty. Look at this. You can stretch it. Look at this is a slime. This is a clay slime.
It says magic slime and
Yeah.
it's a clay.
Whoa. Magic clay.
Look, let's roll it. Oh no!
Oopsie, and the water is here.
You spill.
Yeah, let's put some water. Oh, more water. Yes.
No, this is our fault.
Yeah. I put some water in there. Put some water. Put some water. Put some water.
No, I won't. This is my fault. Oh. You know why, guys?
Ako ang huling fault.
Why?
Kinayabo.
And this is my fault too.
Yeah.
Hey, what did you do to this?
Yeah, man.
You make it. Hey, clean that table. Now I need.
this.
You really want that? That's my butanganon for slime.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at this. It's a long video. And look at hers, guys.
Yeah, mine's a really.
Sticky.
But I put some red water.
Me too. I put some many water, but it came not sticky. We really need this area clean. And I've got no water.
1 minute later, I'm done for my hands.
No, she's not done. Not 1 minute later.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 minute later.
And here you
Here you
go.
go. And her
My hands is
really sticky.
My hands is really now. She's not sticky now. And this is my slime. It's not sticky
She
now.
needs that.
My slime is
And I
not
have
sticky
this.
now.
Me too. Mine is not sticky.
But I also done on pink. Yours is a clear.
Clear what?
Yeah, you love clear.
No, I love purple.
I think you love clear slime.
Oh no, it's making me sticky.
I think you are. Mine is not sticky now. And 1 minute later, but it's so many.
Go back. Okay, bye. One more later.
I think you are best. Ah, the slime so sticky.
Okay, are you guys seeing me?
Hi guys, she's just basa. Oh my gosh. Gonna basa your hands so it's basa. And the slime is done to be sticky.
Now we're showing you how to make
A
this.
sticky slime.
Yeah, if you really want some sticky.
But she's so soft and
Look at mine teeth. And look at her teeth.
it's a pangit. Huh?
So ugly.
So very ugly too, you.
Yes, I know yours too.
Laway is padulong white. So funny.
Hey, you are Bisaya.
I think you are.
Oh, you are.
You need to get this.
We came from the store last week when
Store lost right.
when my Tita Kat is graduate already.
Yeah.
And
My
her
sister is Nancy is going-
sister, not your sister. Your sister is Angel.
Pero Aviva. My Nancy did. My
And
Nancy.
it's really cold here because we are in the maybe in the Korea.
Yeah, it's so cold in there. So cold.
Hey, it's right here.
Yeah, so cold.
Okay, I'm gonna 1 minute later, you guys.
Pawid ako sa slime.
Ayun.
Pawid din ako kasi. You're so soft.
And done.
And here is doon sa namo
Okay, now we have to clean this area. Clean, right? Look.
What?
Look at this, how stretchy.
Yeah, so stretchy, but this is a clay.
Why do you know that this is a clay?
Can you hold your slime?
Yes, can I hold? I mean, not to you.
Di man, sticky. Pero paspason lang mo. Pason
Okay.
lang kawid ha. Oh, you're so nice.
It's not sticky.
Yeah. And yours is so pretty and
Dough, give me that dough.
okay. Who's the winner? Me
I don't
or you?
know. Maybe you.
But, ano naman?
Because you kasala.
Dawan, pagtulang.
Ano, ako
Dawan, ma'am.
win?
Dawan, ma'am.
Kasi win at ro.
Ikaw.
Tulang,
Okay.
dawan.
Okay, I'm the winner.
Dawan.
Hey.
Look, I make it.
But that is not stretchy. This is a slime, this tarkalite.
Look at this.
Get mine. It's okay.
Okay, guys, so this
Baba,
is our channel.
Click in the bell and
I know,
spread it.
she don't know that. Subscribe and click the bell. Comment down below if you like it. Bye-bye.